Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's so hot here in my hometown that I just cannot put any makeup on. It's 35-36 degrees and it's impossible to wear any makeup. So today I want to film my favorite eye product. So eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows, everything. And if you want to see, just keep on watching. I'm starting with oldest product of this 7. So it is this eyeshadow, very colorful eyeshadow, and I do not use this on daily basis. I use this when I want something creative, when I want mixed colors, and I mix two colors and I want completely other color. And this is probably 4 years old, so colors are really nice. You have a really nice big mirror, which I always like when it comes to palettes, and you have just nice primary. It's all matte, it doesn't have any shimmers, and it's nice, it's pigmented, it's beautiful, shadows are blendable, and I think I will never throw this palette, even if it is expired, I know, but it doesn't cause any redness or any rush, nothing. It is absolutely beautiful. And also this one is my first, let's call it, creative palette, where I, with help with this palette, I became a lot more creative with colors, brave and just creative. Second palette is from Too Faced, and this is first and the only product that I bought from Too Faced, and this is Sweet Peach palette, one of the most famous products from Too Faced. And this palette has been my favorite, one of my favorite palettes, because it has very shadows that you can use on daily basis. It has dark eyeshadows, it has shimmers, matte, and little like matte mixed with bit of glitter, something like that. It's not my favorite finish, but if you like it, it is very nice. And as I said, shadows are really good quality, they are very blendable, you have many colors, as you can see, darks, naturals, pinks. It's really good versatile palette and really good if you are traveling. And the last palette, probably my favorite palette of all times, is this Marc Jacobs palette. It is not my favorite palette when it comes to colors, but it is my favorite palette when it comes to formula, eyeshadow formula. It is extremely buttery, extremely blendable, extremely easy to work with. You can use this eyeshadow just with your fingers and you are done. You don't need any brushes. And these shimmer colors, it is more metallic than shimmers, but are beautiful, extremely beautiful. And every eye makeup look, these metallic shimmer shadows will give something special, and your eyes just pop when you put those shadows on your lid. And I even hit the pan on this one, this eyeshadow. It is most used shadow, of course, obviously. In this palette I don't use that much these darker colors, but these lighter are just wonderful. And also it is good for traveling because it's very slim packaging. It's not too big, it's not bulky, and hands down my favorite eyeshadow formula I have ever tried. Now a bit of drugstore. I have one liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f, and this is just classic champagne color, but it looks beautiful, and I use this only on my lids alone, nothing added. And if you want just something on your eyelids, but you do not want too much and you don't have time for doing your eyes, and this is beautiful. It has nice applicator. You just apply it on your lid, just blend with your fingers. It's beautiful. It creases, of course. It's liquid. It's natural to crease, and I have very oily eyelids, so every single eyeshadow on my lids creases. But it's beautiful product, beautiful color. It's very blendable. It doesn't do that chunks when you are blending, nothing like that. This is not color that I use every day, but this is Green Eye Pencil from NYX, and I use this one in my last video for creating forest green eyes. And this pencil is extremely creamy. It's beautiful, and color and formula and absolutely everything is stunning. And I'm planning probably for 2 years to buy more color, but I always forget. And it's quite big. It's big pencil, and you do not need too much of it, because it's, as I said, it's very creamy. WetnWild has really good quality products, and I love this cream. It's like in this pot. It's very small, as you can see, compared to my palm of my hand. And I used to use this every single day, but I do not use it now because, as I said, it's too hot. But this has metallic finish, which I love. Sometimes I even prefer metallic over shimmer, because I think it is nicer. Shimmers can be sometimes glittery if they are not really good made, but this one doesn't dry. It creases, as I said, because I have oily eyelids, but it is very easy to work with. It is beautiful color, rose gold color, and I have this same product in purple, and it is not creamy as this one, so all formula depends on color, obviously. I don't know why, but this rose gold is a stunning product. And last product is from Maybelline, and this is tattoo liner eye pencil, same with that green pencil from NYX. I do not use this on daily basis, but when I use it, it is really lovely product. And same with all these cream products. It's very creamy, really easy to work with, and I like to use this as a liner. So I use liner brush, and I just make liner, and it stays all day. It doesn't transfer too much. It transfers on me because I wear glasses, so it's normal, but it's very creamy. It doesn't dry too fast, so you have time to make that liner, and very easy to work with. And I'm not very skilled in liner, and for beginners in liner, it's a great product. So these are my favorite eye product, either eyeshadow, pencil, cream eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. It is a mix of drugstore and some pricier products, and I really hope you like it. Subscribe, like this video, dislike if you want, comment, and see you in the next one. Bye!